Santa Nick has returned with my goodies. A little bit late, but late's better than never. Let's see what I got. Alright, let's start with this little bag. We have some Dragon Cloud Great Grizzly. It's a fountain hybrid. Green bamboo. This is a set. Flowering bees, big snow, all hybrid fountains. And some assorted smoke by Shogun. All these were buy one, get one free. There's another pack of smoke bombs. Little fountain, dragon parts. Buy one, get one free. Alright. In this bag, we have badger balls. Ball shell kit. Here's another one. However, opening them up, they're not real ball shells. But that's okay. Can't get mad when something is free from Pyro Santa. And he threw in one of these. Nice. Alright, into the next bag. We have Black Cat Whistling Rockets with Report. 2 boxes of those. We have some ladybugs. Couple packets, Mega Banger firecrackers. Some Sky Team aerial spinners. And got 1, 2, 3 of them. And we got this little 200 gram called Spaz by Great Grizzly. We have a Shogun Desert at Night. And Shogun Garden in Spring. These 3 were 3 for 20 bucks that I know of. And that's my little pickup for, oh wait a minute, forgot. We have Rip Roaring Rockets. We got 2 packs of them. And we have free Blood Money. Anything free is good. Wait for demos coming in the future.